Hello everyone, welcome to part 158 of Laravel 10 series in which we are creating the e-commerce website. So we will continue working on the orders module at the admin panel. But in this video we are going to work on the order email to the customer. Okay, so while placing the order, we are also going to send the order email to the customer. So we are going to integrate the third party HTML template in this video. Okay, so let's start. See, in the last few videos we have seen that we able to show these orders in the admin panel, and we able to show the complete details, and the admin can able to update the order status as well. Though we will also integrate the logs and history, we are going to maintain the history of the order status in the next video. And also we are going to work on the shipped manual process, like the admin can able to update the status to shipped with the order tracking, with the tracking number as well as the courier partner details. Okay, so that thing we are going to do in the next video, but in this video we are going to work on the order email. Okay, so first of all we are going to log in into the account, and here I'm going to log in one of the account that we have created earlier. This one is the test account, and we're going to log in and add some product in our shopping cart. And see, t-shirt, like I'm going to add one of the product, like this red casual t-shirt. Okay, so after adding this t-shirt, let's add, select one of these size here. Okay, so I'm going to select one size and click on add to cart. See, I will go to the cart now, and now I will go to the proceed to checkout. And now see, I'm going to select one of the address. See, only one address is added so far, so it is automatically selected. So I'm going to now will select the cash on delivery that we have done so far. So now when we click on place order, then it must send the email to the user as well that your order has been placed. But in case of prepaid methods, like the like the PayPal, in case of PayPal or another payment gateway, we are going to send to the email to the customer after the payment made, not before the payment made. Okay, so but here in COD we are going to send the email once the user clicks on that place order. Okay, so we are going to modify the checkout function in ProductController. We're going to open the ProductController at the front, and now we'll open the checkout function. And here I will go to the bottom where we are finally placing the order here. So you can see that we are inserting the order as well as the order products details. So after putting the order ID in session, and after closing this db commit. Okay, so after this we are going to add one condition here. We're going to check whether the payment gateway is COD or prepaid. If the payment gateway is COD, then we are going to send the order email. Okay, straight away payment gateway is COD. So in that case, we are going to send the email. Okay, send order email. Here we are going to send order email. Otherwise, in case of prepaid, we are not going to send like this. Okay, because we are going to send order mail after payment made. Okay, so here I'm going to put it here. See here, order send order mail will come, then we are going to return redirect thanks. And I'm going to add one else condition here for the other prepaid method. Here I'm going to just write like the prepaid methods coming soon. Okay, prepaid methods coming soon. Later on we are going to remove this coming soon, but right now I have just added it. Like if you are going to click on any of the other method like PayPal, you are going to see here this thing like prepaid methods coming soon. Okay, prepaid methods coming soon, and here make sure that you will die as well. Okay, so once you will select any other method, then it will show prepaid methods coming soon. That okay, so fine. So now as we are working on COD, we are going to send the email. So here we are going to fetch the order details from the order ID that we are getting here. So first thing is that we are going to get the order details, $order details. We are going to get the order details here, order with the order product details as well. Okay, so I'm going to add the order product details as well, orders underscore products, and I'm going to compare with the ID, order ID, $order ID, and first to array it is. And now see, we're going to write here the send order email code, send order email. Okay, so here first of all dollar email will come, dollar email, and that we can get from the auth itself, auth user email. So after this message data, dollar message data, and here we're going to add email, dollar email we are already having. Then name as well, name we will also fetch from the auth here, auth user name, and then order id, dollar order id, and after this we are going to have the order details as well, order details, and order details that are coming here. We have already fetched the order details. We are going to add this all here in this message data array. Now we are going to write the mail script here, mail send. We are going to create the email template. Inside emails I'm going to create one order.blade.php. okay, inside the emails. Then we are going to send this dollar message data, okay, and function message, dollar message. Then we are going to use the email, dollar email, and then I'm going to do it like this. And here see dollar message here, dollar message, then to dollar email, sorry, and then subject of the email is order placed, then the company name, website names like SideMakers. Okay, so now we are going to create the order blade file like in resources, views, emails, and here we have done other emails like the register mail. I'm going to file save as, we'll save it with the order email as well, so that we can able to use that template order.blade.php. I'm going to save it, and now I'm going to remove this template. I'm going to download some good template from the net, and then we are going to use that template. Okay, and let's see, I'm going to like search for some template like simple order email HTML template. Okay, I'm going to search for some good template. You can do this step of your own as well. You can download any of the template, any of the good template. Okay, so you see order confirmation email template. I'm going to open this one, HTML codex. This is the website, and going to integrate this template that is seems to be freely available, and here this is the format that looks to be fine. Okay, I'm going to check its live preview as well, and it seems to be fine that we can able to integrate this template. Okay, see, it seems to be fine, really good enough. Okay, HTML template, later on we will also work on its PDF template as well. So I'm going to download this one. So let's wait for a few seconds. So after downloading this template, we are going to integrate this template here in our Laravel blade file. I'm going to copy this one here, and then we will add all the details dynamically. Okay, so let's wait for a few seconds, and then we are going to do, yes, see, please click here if downloading does not start. I think it's done now. So I'm going to click on downloads folder, and here you can see the template we can able to download. It's done. So now we can use this template, open this one, and here you can see the index.html, and there are images as well that we are not required to use, but the main thing is that we are required this index.html. okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to just bring this template here like this. Okay, So I'm just going to copy this template here, and we'll try to use first of all we can do one thing. We can simply send this email, okay, as it is, because just I want to test that the email will go, the same template will go or not. If it will go, then we will start making make the changes in the email, dynamic changes in the email, okay. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to open my .env file, where we have done all the required settings, mail trap.io. I'm going to open that, okay. Side by side I'm going to check it as well, and I'm going to close this website, and we'll see, click on login. Okay, so I'm going to use this use Google account, okay, and one of the account I'm going to use this tech developers 2, that is one of my account that I want to see that this account we are using, maybe. Yes, I think yeah, we have earlier used this account, okay. You can see the confirm your sidemakers.in account. So here we are going to send this email as well, that is sidemakers.in. I'm going to make this one same sidemakers.in, okay. So now uh, so I'm going to click on cash on delivery now, and we'll click on place order. Let's see if the email will go. Okay, so we need to add this one. We need to add the mail class like we have added in user controller as well. So the email class is required, like we have added here as well. So this mail class is required, and that I'm going to add at the top, okay. So I'm going to try once again. Control Shift R in Windows, and Command Shift R in Mac. So here I'm going to see once again that email will go or not, and if the email will go, then how it looks. Let's wait for a few seconds. Yes, the order has been placed. I think the email has been gone. We are going to check here and see order placed, new email has come. See how it looks. See, it looks perfect, okay. The images are not coming because we have not added so far images, but the email template is looking fine, okay. So we can use this email template, okay. So and simply these images that we can replace with our website images, okay. So right from the start, now see, this image is logo.png. I'm going to check my folder there, sd docs project 10, and here images. I'm going to check in public front images, and is there any logo is here, I think. Yes, okay, logo1.png. So we are going to use this one. It's under front images, okay. So I'm going to add here front. So maybe we are not able to access this image like this. I'm going to set here front, then images. After images, this logo folder, okay. After logo folder, this logo1.png, logo, and after this, okay. And yeah, this one is not required, this one we can remove, fine. And here your company address will come, yeah, company address will come here, like sidemakers.in. Here we can give the Delhi, India, and here any phone number, okay. You can give any phone number here. info@sidemakers.in, your company email, okay. So yeah, now in place of order number, we are going to add the order number that is placed actually, okay. So here we are going to give the order ID. So order number we are sending from there. See, check once, go to the that checkout function once again, and here we are going to see the order ID is coming in this variable. Okay, so here we're going to use this one like this, order ID, that is coming in this variable. So and order date, for order date we are sending the order details as well. See, I'm going to close this one. See, we're sending the order details as well. In this one we will get the that order date. Okay, here created at but we can use the better format. If you remember that we have used that format in many of the cases, like the user.blade or PHP file. Here also see this one is the better format, and we're going to use this one. In place of this one, I'm going to use this, and here order details, here I'm going to details like this. Okay, so let's move down, and now delivery address and billing address. Okay, so let's check in email that first delivery address, that how it looks. Okay, so first one is delivery billing, and after that okay, so it is showing like this, James Winter after this one. So both we are going to give both address, delivery address as well as the billing address. Okay, and for that, like first one is the delivery address. So here we are going to add that dollar order details, name will come up here, and also we need to fetch the user details as well. Okay, so along with the order products we will also fetch the user details like we have done earlier as well. And here whenever we will do this one, we can side by side use that user like this. Okay, user object like this. So after this address, for address we can do it like this, address. Okay, here user will come. After that we are going to show city and state. Okay, so I'm going to copy this one once again, city, then we are going to show the pin code as well. Okay, so I'm going to copy this one, we'll paste here. Just the thing is that we will add the user object. Okay, so other details also you can show. Okay, after this, if you want to show, let's come to the these products. Okay, so for products we are going to add the for each loop like we have added earlier at the front as well as the user end. So here also we are going to add the for each loop to display the products. Okay, so here we are going to see start product section. Okay, so these are the tr. So we are going to add the for each loop here. uh, okay, so here I'm going to add the for each loop, for each product details, orders underscore products as dollar order, and this one we can remove here, and for each, and here we are going to give everything one by one. Like order name will come here, dollar order product name, sorry, yeah, product name will come here. Okay, so after product name, here the quantity, we will also give the product code as well. Here in bracket we are going to give the product code as well. Then product quantity. Okay, and color, and product color, after that this one I think not required. What is this? Color is fine per unit. Okay, here I don't think it is required, so we can simply remove it. Okay, and size, yeah, for size we can give here the product size. Okay, and also for price here. Okay, so we can give the price here, like it will come the product price here, product price, and whatever the currency. Okay, INR we are doing with INR, so I'm going to give the INR rupee. Okay, so after this the subtotal will see, this one is done. So after this subtotal will come, see this image also we are going to add the image. uh, so okay, so for adding the image we need to do in the same way, like I'm going to open that order detail. Okay, so that it will be easier for us. So here also we have got that image. If you remember that we have shown the image as well in the order details at the bottom here. Okay, so you can see that how we can get the image. Okay, get product image, we have got it like this from the product ID, and then we have displayed the image. Okay, so like this we are going to do. Let's see if it will work. I'm not sure, but we will try to give the image as well. See here inside this I'm going to fetch it like this, and then after fetching it, then I'm going to see this one I'm giving, yeah, get product image, fine. And after fetching it I'm going to use this if condition as well. Style height is 80 pixels, so style is the only thing that we are required to give here. Okay, so instead of width we are going to give the uh, height like this. The rest is fine, we are going to move this one, and see, fine. Okay, so now let's go down, and these things we are going to give now. Subtotal and other things we are going to show here. See, for the subtotal we need to follow that same thing that we have done here as well. See here, we are showing, I think we are showing at the front as well, order details in at the front here. I'm going to open this one, and here we are doing that thing like total price. First of all, see, before for each loop, here is the for each loop. Okay, so I'm going to take it like the total price here, and after this we are going to add the price of that product. Okay, I'm going to pick this one, and this one like order we have used here the order. See, I think order. Okay, so here we have used the order, so we need to use here as well. Order we need to use here as well, because at every place we are using the order. Okay, so here also we are required to use the order. Okay, so order, product ID, here also order, and here also order. Okay, so fetching this one total price is fine, and dollar order here also, and here also. Okay, so we got this total price, this one we are going to show there in subtotal. Okay, INR, and here we are going to show this total price. Okay, see, we don't have any shipping charges right now, but we are going to show whenever we will integrate the shipping module, then the shipping price will come up here. Okay, from the uh, from that particular columns we will send the shipping charges in this column, then we will integrate the shipping charges module. Okay, so after this order total, so order total we are going to show the grand total. So I'm going to copy this one, and in here we are going to show the grand total. Also there is one more field that we are going to add, that is for the coupon amount. If there is coupon amount, maybe the coupon discount is there. Okay, so we are going to add it as well, coupon discount. And here see, if in case the coupon amount comes, then only we are going to show here the coupon amount. Okay, coupon amount like this. So I think, and see here, condition we are going to add here because it's necessary, otherwise maybe we are adding it null. Okay, so it must be greater than 0, only then we are going to show it, else INR 0. Okay, and if here we can give this space as well, or rupee symbol we can give. Okay, so now I think this one is not required, just remove it. This one is also not required. See, unwanted things we can remove. Check the template once again, and see this one, this one is also not required. So rest everything we able to do. And yes, this payment method as well as this one complete. See, start payment method section, this one is not required at all, so we can remove this one. So our email is ready, so we are going to check once that it is working fine or not. We are going to place the another order, and this time we are going to place the order with the 2 items. Okay, so let's see. I'm going to add the items now. Okay, so first one is the blue t-shirt. I'm going to select its size as well. Okay, so it's added. See, one more product I want to add. Okay, so I will go back to the t-shirts, and now I'm going to add this red casual t-shirt, and now I'm going to add this one, large size of this t-shirt, and this has been added as well. Go to view card. Okay, so let's continue, click on proceed to checkout, and we will move further, and I'm going to select the cash on delivery. I consent to terms of service, click on place order. It will take few seconds. We will add the loader as well, but here see, error seems to be there. uh, Class product. Okay, so in order blade file we need to add that model, include that model as well, like we have added this model at the other places. Here also we are required this model. Okay, this one I don't think that this is required. Okay, so now we are going to do that control shift R or command shift R, continue, and let's see if the email will go without any error. It is taking time. One loader is required that we can add. So let's wait for few seconds, and let's see, your order has been placed successfully. Let's go to the mail trap, and here see, we'll automatically get the new email here instantly. And now we are going to check it. Oh wow, it looks perfect. How beautiful the email is. Side makers as the logo, sidemakers.in from Delhi, India, and the phone number, email info@sidemakers.in. Order number is 9 and order date, okay, in a perfect format, and delivery address is here, billing address is here. These two products that we have placed the order for are here, and this is the subtotal, shipping fees, coupon discount, and finally order total is here. So this is the best template, best order template that we have integrated so far. Okay, so I hope that you can able to integrate at your end, and if you will find any issue you can surely contact me, and do subscribe as well as join the channel to get the more updates, to get the Laravel updates timely, so that you will get the prompt message whenever there is the update in video. Whenever I will add new videos, you will get the alert. Okay, so please subscribe as well as join the channel. This is the Stack Developer YouTube channel, and also follow the another series, that is the Laravel 11 series with MongoDB as the database. we are no more going to use this database, this MySQL database. We are going to use the NoSQL database for the first time, and that is the MongoDB. That is the best NoSQL database right now. So that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.